Welcome to the class. In this class, we call about candlestick pattern. Candlestick pattern is the way to do technical analysis. It's different from technical indicator in the sense that you will basically based on the price, look at fully use open, high, low, close pricing. So what we're doing learn in this class, we use R to detect the following pattern. Some of them are 1 day pattern, some of them are 3 day or 5 day or more day pattern. So to illustrate, we'll use Microsoft data. An example of the candlestick is like this. Sometimes you can find in the trading terminal. If you use quant mode, you can go candle chart, and then this is the result you have. This is candlestick. Sometimes also look at the volume too, but mainly is the price here. And candlestick, you can see there's a stick here. The stick, the top is the high, the bottom is low, and the candle, okay, or the body here is either is open and closed, depend up or down. If green is up, so it's below is open, high is closed. When the orange, open is above, close is below. Okay. So this is the basic candlestick. So let's look at the terminology here. So candlestick, as we said just now, the 4-point data is open, high, low, close, and usually we call this the inside the body, and the stick above is called upper shadow, and the stick below is called lower shadow. Okay, and if it goes up, as we call the green one, is called the bullish candle, and it's a black or red or orange, is called the bearish candle. Okay, so the definition of the color. Now the next is more technical. We have some formula. So it's upper shadow length. I define US will be I minus maximum of open and close. Lower shadow length is the minimum of the open and close minus low. Okay, it's just the lower stick and upper stick. And whole candle length is the high minus low, WC, and body length is BL, is absolute value open minus close, or maximum open close minus minimum open and close. So it's body length. So and then here in particular, when you talk about candlestick analysis, the size of the length, size of the candle, size of the body will be important. So let's define the size of body. So sometimes used to compare the body with the candle length. Okay, when you say the body, the candle is very small, you compare with the whole candle. It's small if I have delta of the candle is bigger than the body length. So the whole candle and minus with the sticks, right? If you multiply by small quantity, it's still bigger than the body length than the small body. In the other hand, if I have a large proportion of the candle, okay, is less than the body length, then with a big body. And sometimes you also don't want to compare body, you can compare with the shadow. If the whole candle is small, even the very small part of the candle is bigger than the upper shadow, then with very short shadow. If the large part of the whole body, okay, is less than the upper shadow is very long. Okay, same idea, you can do the lower shadow LS. And sometimes you also compare the whole candle historically. For example, you compare small body, we'll be saying that historically compare the current body compared to the past body. Similarly, large body will be bigger than the previous body. You can also do the same for body length and shadow size. And then next is about price movement. The way often we know is a bullish and bearish, right? So that's why we define up if closing make bigger than opening is up. If you have down, then closing is less than opening. Okay, and the next is called gap up and gap down. Is whether the second day the candle body is bigger than the day one. So it's not the whole stick, but just the body. If the minimum of today's closing opening is the lower point of the candle is higher than maximum of yesterday candle, it's maximum open and close, then you have gap up. If reversely, if we have maximum of today's price is less than yesterday lower price, then gap down. Basically, the whole candle is have a shift downward. So before and then this end the basic introduction of the candlestick, and later afterward we talk about different pattern.